Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video we will see how we have managed the styling of this footer which contains some pin jobs. Pin jobs are basically some favorite jobs that user have pinned down, and we have provided some styling to this portion where all the pin jobs are getting displayed. This is basically the desktop view, and as we switch towards the mobile view, the title pin job is replaced by an icon, and it is scrolling like this, having a gradient over here, and the jobs while scrolling hide behind the icon and behind the title in the toolbar. So how we have managed this, we will be seeing in this video. Right now, without styling, the toolbar section of the footer looks like this. Let's see towards the markup of this portion. So this is the iron footer which contains a iron toolbar. Then in toolbar we are having a iron title pin job that is viewed on the desktop only, and then we have an icon which is displayed on mobile only, and then we have a div which contains the scrollable chips or the chips we want to scroll. So this is the markup, and without styling now it is looking like this. So firstly, what we will be doing is we will be providing some styling to the this div to make them scroll horizontally. So for this, I will be creating a selector over here which will point towards the div inside the toolbar. We will be providing display flex property, then flex wrap, a no wrap property, because we didn't want our chips to get wrapped when the space is less. Now we will be setting its overflow property as auto, that if space is there then it will be normal, and if space is not there then it will automatically turn into a scrollable thing. Now we will be giving a max width of max content. It will be having a maximum width of the content that it will contain. Then we will be setting the margin left as auto. Just save this, and it's looking something like this right now. After this, our chips are getting shrinked, so I will be setting some flex property to this chip with flex grow as 1, shrink as 0, and basis as auto. Now we don't want our title to be grown like this, so after setting the flex property of iron chip, I will be setting the flex grow property of iron title, and I will set this value to 0. After After this, I will be setting some position value to both my title as well as my icon. So for this, I will be creating a selector. In iron footer, we will be selecting the iron toolbar, and inside that we will be selecting the iron title. Similarly, inside this we will be selecting the iron icon, position absolute. Then we will be setting some Z index to 2, and after this I will be providing some padding. I will be using here the spacer variable. You can refer to my other video for seeing how this spacer variables actually works and how we can create this. So just save this. After this, I will be providing some background property to my title and my icon. So for this, both the title and icon will be having some difference between the background. So I will be writing this again. I will be providing some linear gradient to right. Then I will be using a predefined ionic variable for toolbar background. Just save this. I have provided a linear gradient background which will be set towards the right. That is, first it will be this color, then after 85% it will become transparent. Now I want some margin between this title and this chips, but before that I will be setting the same background for my icon as well in the mobile view. I will be just changing its percentage, and as we move towards this, we can see that our background is perfectly set. After this, I will be setting the toolbar of the first child of the div, that is the first chip. So for this, I will be selecting the div inside the toolbar and iron chip and first child iron chip inside the div, and will be providing it a margin left to save this. We are seeing here margin. Now for desktop view, I will be doing the same thing. And just replace this with different value. Along with styling, the indentation is also important. So this is the mobile view of the pin job toolbar, and this is the desktop view of the pin job toolbar. Hope you like this video, and if you have any confusion, then I will be just placing a link of the project in the description below. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching this.